Fiona, you can start.
A pleasant afternoon, everyone. I'm Miss Fiona, and I am the homeroom teacher of Grade 1A Superstars. Welcome to our Little Superstars student-led conference. Today, our students are the stars of the show. The purpose of a student-led conference is to empower the student. The experience is designed for ownership, collaboration, and reflection. It is a time to be present for your child. Student-led conferences are a wonderful way for your child to show you all they have learned and accomplished this year. The children are also very excited and eager to perform, so we hope you enjoy the process. Before we begin, let me remind you to keep your mics muted so that we don't disturb their thought flow, as we all know that this is their first presentation in front of an audience. Let us encourage and motivate them as they have put in a lot of effort and hard work in preparing for this presentation. This is your child's time to shine, so let's sit back and enjoy watching them and make memories of this evening. I now call upon Dia to lead us in prayer.
It's a practice that we begin each day with a conversation with God. Every day we first thank Him for another day of life and then move on to asking for small, simple, silly things. So let us join our hands and close our eyes for the prayer. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwarah, Guru Saksha, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri, Guruve Namah. Vakratunda Mahakaya, Surya Koti Samaprabha, Nirvignam Guruve Deva, Sarvakarshe Sarvada. Om Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyodirgamaya Mrityorma Amardam Gamaya. Om Shanti 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 Hi. Saraswati Namastudyam Barave Kamarubini Vidyarambam Kalishave Siddhe Bhavatumi Sadat. Thank you, God, for giving us all another day of life. And today I pray for all my friends and me to remember all that we have prepared for our presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Dia. We have Adya, Hemitra, and Abhiram who are our little compares for this evening. Adya will take over from me now.
Thank you, Fiona Auntie. A warm welcome to all. I am Adya. I'm going to be taking you through the English presentation by our friends. We now begin with Vyas and Mahita presenting the concept nouns.
Hello, Mahita.
Hello, Vyas.
What is that picture I see in your hand?
Oh, are you talking about this one? I thought we could play a guessing game.
Guessing game? What am I supposed to guess?
Do you remember our lessons about nouns?
Yes, nouns are naming words. Am I right?
Exactly. You have to look at this picture and identify the nouns and guess if it is a proper noun or a common noun.
I now remember what they are. Let's not waste time. Let's begin the game.
Can you guess it what it is?
School. School is a common noun. Yes, Kalikuram is a name of a school. That's why it's proper noun.
Now can you find this?
Teacher. Teacher is a common noun. Piano is the name of are called proper noun. They begin with a capital letter. Rest of the nouns are common nouns.
Wait a minute, Vyas. Have a look at our names, Mahita and Vyas. We are special too. That was fun time, Vyas. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you, Mahita. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day, Vyas. Thank you, friends. That was a brilliant presentation. I now call upon Abhiram and Aishwarya. They have some fun games to do with listening. So let's sit back and watch. Hello, Aishwarya. How are you doing?
Hello Abhiram, I am doing well. I want to ask you something.
Yes, Aishwarya. Go ahead.
Don't you miss the listening activity that were conducted in our virtual classroom last term?
Definitely, I do. I enjoyed it a lot.
I was thinking we could challenge each other to some listening games. Are you ready for it?
That's very interesting. Let's get started.
I had two games. We will begin with the first game called Do As I Say and Not What I Do. I will have to listen to your commands and do as you say. Ready, steady, get, set, go.
Jump up and down.
Okay, Abhiram.
Clap your hands. Touch your nose. Stand and hop in one place. Pull your ears. Raise only one hand. Close your ears.
Okay.
That was not bad at all, Aishwarya. Well done.
Now it's my turn. The next game is Simon Says. Draw what I say. You will have to listen very carefully and follow instructions only if Simon Says name is said, Abhiram.
Okay. I'm ready, Simon. Shoot out your instructions.
Simon says, draw a big circle. Simon says, draw two small circles inside the bigger circle.
Okay.
Okay. Draw a big rectangle around the circle. Draw a line connecting the two dots. Simon says, draw triangles inside. Draw triangle inside the big circle below the two dots. Below the two smaller circles.
Okay.
Simon says, draw a curved line below the triangle.
Okay.
Simon says draw two triangles on two sides of the big circle.
Okay.
Draw a big sleeping line under the big circle. Simon says draw few lines, zigzag standing line on top of the big circle.
Okay.
Good job, Abhiram. The drawing was nice. Did you know that listen and silent are spelled with same letters?
I didn't know that, Aishwarya. Now I understand why it is so important to remain silent and listen when somebody is talking to us. Let us remember this always. Thank you for sharing with all of us. Wonderful.
Thank you.
Thanks. That was wonderful, Abhiram and Aishwarya. I guess they deserve a pat on the back. Thank you. Are you ready for some magic? Pudit and Sadhana have some surprises for us and they won't let the cat out of the bag. So let's hear it from them. Hello, friend.
Hello, Puneet. Why are you dressed like a magician today? Are you going to do some amazing magic?
You're right, Sadhana. I have something interesting for you.
What is that black box? Can I see what is inside it?
Hold your horses, Sadhana. It's a box full of magic words. Let me explain. You flash some words and pictures to me. I will guess the magic word.
Here it is. Rainbow.
Jeem, boom, ba. Rainbow.
Wow.
Am I right, Sadhana?
Wow. Yes, Puneet, you are right. These words are called compound words. I remember learning this in our ritual class.
You're right, Sadhana. I have some. You're right, Sadhana. Let us refresh our mind about it. A compound word is made by combining two shorter words. Let's explore some more words from our magic box.
Can you tell me the magic word for these two pictures? Spider Man.
Here it is again. Jeem, boom, ba. Spider-Man.
Wow. Super, Puneet. Once more.
Yes, sure.
Sunflower.
Jeem, boom, ba. Sunflower.
Thank you, Puneet. We will remember to use them in our conversation hereafter.
Sure, Sadhana. I'm happy you liked it.
Thank you, Puneet.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That was amazing, Puneet and Sadhana. I did not know learning English was also fun. Thank you. We are not running against the clock, so I think it's time for a story now. Dia and Hemitra are going to be narrating a story for us. So let's tighten our seatbelts and get ready for it.
Hello, Himitra.
Hello, Dia.
Himitra, I'm so bored sitting at home because of the pandemic. Tell me something interesting that we can do.
Dia, do you remember the story we read when I came to your house some time back?
Oh, yes, Hemitra. It was a lovely storybook. Sly Fox and Red Hen. My mom had gifted me it for my birthday. How about narrating it together for our friends now?
I'm ready, Dia. Let's start right away.
Here goes the story. Red Hen lived in a little house in a tree. Sly Fox lived in the woods.
The fox was hungry and he picked up his big black bag. I'm going to catch Red Hen and eat her, he said. Sly Fox hid in Red Hen's little house. I'm the fox, I'm really sly. You can't beat me however you try, said Sly Fox.
Red Hen saw Sly Fox and jumped out of his way. You are the fox, you are the fox. You are really sly, but you can't catch me however you try, said Red Hen.
I'm going to catch you, said Sly Fox, and he ran round and round and round.
Red Hen's head went round and round and round, and she fell into Sly Fox's big black bag.
Sly Fox carried the black bag home with the hen. On his way, he was tired and rested under a tree.
While the fox was resting, Red Hen jumped out of the bag and filled it with stones.
The fox was not aware of it and he carried the bag home. He tipped the bag into the cooking pot.
The stones fell splash into the cooking pot.
Oh no, I did not catch Red Hen. The end.
That was really out of the world, Dia and Hemitra. I guess you both are on cloud 9 now. Thank you. Now Hemitra is going to take over from me.
Thank you.
Thank you, Adia. We are all eager to watch your presentation, Vidhat and Dhruv. I can smell a rat, but don't worry, I'm not going to let the cat out of the bag. So here you go. Hi, Vidhat.
Hi,
Thanks for having the introduction. Hi, Vidhat.
Hi, Dhruv. I have got a new lovebird.
That's wonderful. What are their names?
Their names is Polly and Lulu.
Nice name.
Thank you. Everything around us have names.
Exactly. Just like everything, numbers do have names. In math, numbers have names in words.
Yes, for 0 ZDR0, 1 only 1, 2 TW2.
Let's make this interesting. We don't want the audience to get bored.
Do you know who invented 0?
Let us see if anyone here. Yes, it is Aryabhatta. Yes, it is Aryabhatta, an Indian.
That's correct.
Did you notice that there's no letter A from 0 to 100?
Let me check if you know these number names. 98.
NINETY-EIGHT.
75.
SEVENTY-FIVE.
11.
ELEVEN. Now it's my turn to ask you. 61.
SIXTY hyphen F-O-N-E 1. 43. F-O-R-T-Y-T-H-R-E-E. 24. T-W-E-N-T-Y hyphen T-F-O-U-R 4. How about one more with that? 10. T-E-N 10. Don't forget to use hyphen when writing numbers from 21 to 99. Learning numbers are fun. Yes, so are their names. Thank you. Thank you. This is Blue and Vidat. Zooming out.
Those were some amazing facts, and thank you for sharing them with us, friends. We are all like rainbows, but have you heard about the rainbow to 10? Are you all curious to know what it is? Hold your horses! We have Shashwan and Anurinda to present it to us. Hello, Anurinda.
Hello, Shashwan. Look what I have here.
What is it? Rainbow to 10?
Yes, it's a rainbow to 10. It's about how many different ways you can make 10, Shashwan. I hope you didn't forget what we learned about the number pair of 10.
No way. I never made a pair of 10 or when Adam makes 10.
Okay, then I am going to craft some colorful rainbows and you can shout out the number pair. Are you ready?
Go ahead, Anuvinda. I'm ready for it.
The first number is 2.
2 makes added with makes 10.
Yes, you're correct. 8 plus 2 equal to 10. We go with other number.
Okay, Anuvinda.
Number is 6.
6, 4 makes 10. Makes 10.
Wow, amazing. 6 plus 4 equal to 10. Is right. We go with other number.
Okay, Anuvinda.
Next number is 4.
4 plus 6 makes 10.
That's of 2. That's of 2, right. 4 plus 6 equal to 10. What? It's your
Okay,
turn.
Anuvinda. This is my turn, Anuvinda.
Go ahead, Shashwan.
This is my rainbow to 10. The first number is the 3.
3 plus 7 equal to 10.
That's correct, Anuvinda. The next number is 5.
5 plus 5 equal to 10. Shashwan.
Correct, Anuvinda. That was amazing.
Thank you,
We
Sarfraz.
can game this game we can play other numbers too. We can play.
That was amazing, Sarfraz.
Bye, Anna
Have
Brenda.
a good day, Sarfraz. Bye.
Have a good day, Anna Brenda.
Thank you, Shashwan and Anurinda. It was just out of the world. Friends, isn't it getting more interesting? Do you remember the genie you read about in your fairy tales? Did you know they appeared in your math stories too? Krisha is ready to share the place value story with you all.
Hello friends, I am Krisha from grade 1. Today I am going to share you about place value story which I learned in math. Once upon a time there were two empty houses named ones and tens in a beautiful garden. Zoo, there came a bus. Do you all know who was in a bus? They are our number friends 0 to 100. Suddenly the bus stopped and first child ran to the one's house. He was able to enter the one's house very easily. Similarly, all 9 children entered the house very easily. But when the 10th child ran to the house, boom, he bounced back. And he was thinking, why am I not able to enter into one's house? And suddenly, Genie came and told him, don't worry, I will use my supernatural power and only one digit can enter into the one house. You're a two-digit number, so you can't enter into the one's house. And 10th child planned that 0 will remain in one's house, 1 will move to 10th house. Similarly, all 99 children entered the house very easily. But when the 100th child ran to the house, boom, he bounced back. And he was feeling sad. And Yahain Genie came and told him, don't worry, I will build a house called Hundreds. Then you will be able to enter the house very easily. And the 100th child was very happy after seeing the 100th house. And he planned that last 0 will remain in one's house, middle 0 will move to 10th house, 1 will move to 100th house. This is the story of place value. Next we will move to number scroller. This is the number scroller. In number scroller, we have ones, hundreds, tens, ones. We can move the number scroller up and down like this. Now I am going to teach you how to read a number. For example, the number is 323. How you will read this? 323. If the number is 434, how you will read this? 434. Now I challenge you to ask me your number. I will keep the number in the number scroller. Anyone ask me a number?
Can you show us 800? 1897?
1800s housed 9 and 10s. 9 and 10s house 7 in one's house. See here 897. I hope you understood both the concepts.
That's lovely, Krisha. Thank you.
Thank you for your valuable time. It was a nice experience for me. Thank you.
That was mind-blowing, Krishiv, and you were cool as a cucumber. Thank you. Our friend Samrita is now going to show you an easy-peasy way of counting.
Easy-peasy counting is grouping. Hello friends, I'm Samrita and I'm going to show you how grouping makes counting very easy, especially when the number is big. Let me begin taking a handful of channas. Let me take cues. Let me count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So the total is 24. Let me try again with 5. One, two, three, four, five. 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So the total is 30. Let me. What about tens? What about trying with tens this time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, wait. 10. Let me count. 10, 20, 30,
31, 32. So the total is 32.
Do louder.
Let's We cannot group only with numbers. Let me show you some ways I grouped. This is grouped according to color. This is grouped according to texture. This is grouped according to size. This is grouped according to shape. Yeah, this was really easy peasy for me. You could also try this next time. Thank you.
You for the presentation, Samrita. We will try it for sure. Now, Abhiram will take over from me.
Thank you, Hemitra. Arthur and Alankrita are ready to give it a shot. They are going to investigate and explore transparent and non-transparent materials.
Hi, sisters and brothers of Rocks Palikudam. I am Ankrita from grade 1A and I have my friend Advan with me today. Hi, everybody. Hi, Alankita. Let's take our friends to world of transparent and non-transparent materials today. Sure, Advan. Understanding transparent and non-transparent objects. Is it not a rocket science? Why don't they explain about transparent objects? It's piece of cake. Transparent materials are those which you can clearly see through. They allow light to pass through. Friends, can you think about some transparent materials? Example, goggles, glass bottle, clear plastic, etc. Now I show you how the light passes through the transparent material. See, glass, plastic lid, phone case, plastic sheet. See, the light is passing through the transparent material. Now you hope you understand now, Alankrita. Good job, Arun. Now I will explain about non-transparent objects. They also are called as opaque objects. We will not be able to see the light passing through it. They don't allow light to pass through it or the opaque objects there. For example, wood, steel, metal, and glass. Now I will show you how the light don't pass it through the opaque objects. Now I will show you. The light is not passing through it. Can you see it, friends? And I have a colored plastic. I have this wood object. The last is color cutting board. We cannot see the light, but we cannot see the light passing through it. So they are called non-transparent objects and opaque objects. And on your back, it was cool as a cucumber. Friends, hope you all enjoyed our presentation. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
That was a nice demonstration, Adavant and Alankrita. Thank you. Okay, friends, are you ready for a riddle? Can you guess what it is our next presentation is about it? I transfer oxygen from the atmosphere to your blood. Who am I? You are right. It's the lungs. Adya is now going to explain about the respiratory system.
Hello everybody. Let's get started. I am going to talk about respiratory system. I want you to breathe with me twice. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay. We need oxygen to live. Without oxygen, we will be like a car without fuel and a waterless pool. Won't that be uncool? Let me tell you how the respiratory system works. Okay, we breathe in air and it will go into our nose. Inside our nose, there are tiny hair and it will filter all the dust particles and it will travel through the windpipe, also known as trachea, and it will enter the lungs. The right lung has 3 lobes and the left lung has 2 lobes. The left lung is smaller in size to give space to the heart. Lungs is the important organ in the respiratory system. Underneath the lungs is a dome-shaped muscle called diaphragm. Diaphragm will expand and shrink. Are you ready for some fun facts? Did you know how much times we breathe in a day? 20,000 times a day. And lungs is the only organ which could float on water. Smoking and pollution are harmful for your lungs. Exercising and breathing good air are healthy for your lungs. Thank you.
Adya, thank you for sharing those interesting facts and information with us. We will all keep our fingers crossed and try to save our environment from pollution, which is dangerous for our lungs. I now see Sri Nagul is ready for his presentation, and we all are very keen to know what it is about. So let's wait and watch.
I'm Srinagar from in grade 1. My warm wishes to each and everyone. Today I'm with my demonstration on capillary action. It's nothing but the movement of water and nutrients from the root to all parts of the plant like branch, leaves, fruits, vegetables, etc. I have a magic for you all. Can you tell what I have in hand right now? Yes, please. One glass empty and another filled with green water and a tissue paper in it.
Keep it on.
I have a magic for you all. Can you all close your eyes for a minute? Jim boom ba. Jim boom ba.
Now take it.
What
Take both.
this?
இந்த கை கீழே வச்சிரு.
All of you, open your eyes, please? Wow, the white tissue paper had turned into green. This is because of capillary action. It also happens in plants too. Thank you for the opportunity.
Nagul, that was a wonderful experiment of the movement of water in plants. Thank you. I'm sure you all would like to explore some local habitats with my friend Sahana.
Happy noon to all. I am Sahana and I am excited to share some facts about the local habitats we learned at Rats. They are the garden habitat, tree habitat, and pond habitat. I enjoyed making models of these habitats. And I would like to present them to you all. Come, let's explore this garden which has a pond nearby. Oh, look, there are some trees too. Let us explore the tree habitat first. Do you know that most of the birds dwell in trees? They build their nests and lay eggs in the trees. Here is a parrot and a crow sitting on the tree. Peacocks and bats roost in trees. Bats are the only flying mammals. Some snakes prefer to live in trees, and here is one. Here is a funny fact about squirrels. They lose a lot of buried food to thieves. It slips off their mind where they bury their food. Let us take a walk at the garden. It requires a green thumb for a garden like this. Roses, hibiscus, and colorful plants decorate this garden. Look at the bubbly butterflies and busy bees. Do you know that bees can see all colors except red? Except red. I wonder why they are always buzzing around red roses. Now, dragonfly snakes and ladybugs also dwell in this garden. Now, let's explore pond habitat. Here are the aquatic plants, water lily and cattails. It is amazing to watch these colorful fishes. Are you curious to know a fun fact about goldfish? Well, they can see more colors than humans. This crane is waiting to catch a fish. Ducks, ducklings, frogs, all, and frogs also dwell in this pond. Look at this turtle sitting cool as a cucumber by the pond. This is a freshwater crab. I hope you enjoyed this tour of local habitats. Thank you, friends.
I'm feeling ecstatic, Sahana. Those models were really amazing. Thank you for presenting them to us. So we have come to the end of our superstars presentation, and I hope you all enjoyed it as much as we did. We'd like to thank you all for sharing your time with us. Goodbye and stay safe.
Thank you, children. I would like to thank Ms. Shweta, Ms. Purnima, Mr. Ramachandran, and Ms. Rizwana for giving us this opportunity for the children to present.
Nona auntie, I can't hear.
For giving us this opportunity. Thank you, friends. Thank you for your time. Goodbye and take care.
Children, yes, we did enjoy as you all enjoyed. That was a good show. Thank you so much. Children, you all can log off.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, friends. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Shall I leave?
Bye, friends. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Just 1 second only. Wait second. I am there to leave.
Samrita, Mahita, Punat can log off. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye bye, auntie. Bye.
Bye, Mahita. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.